Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of jewelry maintenance, focusing on one essential tool that every jewelry lover needs: the best sterling silver cleaning cloth. Among the plethora of options available in the market, we've uncovered a gem that stands out for its exceptional quality and effectiveness. Introducing the 2 PCS Jewelry Cleaning and Polishing Cloth by JLKCTHH. Crafted from 100% pure cotton, this polishing cloth is designed to breathe new life into your precious metals, whether it's sterling silver, gold, or platinum. Let's talk about why this cloth earns the title of the best sterling silver cleaning cloth. Firstly, its soft and gentle texture ensures that even the most delicate pieces of jewelry are treated with care. No scratching or abrasion here, just pure, thorough cleaning power. Now, what sets this cloth apart is its size. Unlike smaller, flimsier options, this cloth is generously sized to tackle even the largest silverware and watches. Say goodbye to struggling to reach those stubborn spots. With this cloth, every inch of your jewelry gets the attention it deserves. But wait, there's more. Not only is this cloth incredibly effective, but it's also eco-friendly and cost-efficient. It's reusable and long-lasting, meaning you can keep your jewelry shining bright while reducing waste and saving money in the long run. So, whether you're a jewelry enthusiast looking to keep your collection in pristine condition or someone who simply wants to maintain the sparkle of their favorite pieces, the JLKCTHH polishing cloth is your ultimate solution. That wraps up today's review of the best sterling silver cleaning cloth on the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, happy cleaning!